Hi, in this video I will reveal to you how to budget and invest for passive income to retire early. The very method that I personally am currently using. And guess what? It works like a charm. Before we dive in, if advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for bringing you this honest, valuable information for free. Now let's continue. Picture this. It's Monday morning. While the world is stuck in traffic, you're sitting on your porch with a warm cup of coffee. Your phone buzzes. It's not a work email. It's a notification that your investments just paid you $500 overnight, completely passively. No boss. No commute. Just money flowing into your account while you live life on your terms. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Here's the shocking truth. You don't need millions of dollars to retire early. You need a clear plan, one that combines smart budgeting with passive income investing. Stay with me until the end of this video, and you'll discover a step-by-step roadmap to take control of your money, build multiple streams of income, and retire years, even decades, ahead of schedule. But there's one mistake that causes 90% of people to fail at this journey, and I'll reveal it before we finish. The real problem, why most people stay stuck. Let's get brutally honest for a second. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, stressed out and buried under bills. They believe the solution is to earn more money, so they grind harder, work longer hours, maybe even take a second job. But here's the painful truth. Income isn't the issue, habits are. I've seen people earning 6 figures a year who are still broke. Why? Because their expenses grow just as fast as their income. This is called lifestyle creep, and it silently destroys dreams of financial freedom. On top of that, many people have financial leaks they don't even notice. $15 here for a subscription they never use. $50 there for takeout they don't even enjoy. Credit card interest quietly draining hundreds of dollars every month. Until you stop the leaks, no amount of investing will save you. The foundation of retiring early isn't about finding the hottest stock. It's about owning your cash flow. And that starts with something I call the freedom budget. Step 1, the freedom budget. This isn't your grandma's boring budget. The freedom budget is designed to free up cash so you can redirect it into income-generating investments. It's simple, quick to set up, and flexible enough to fit any lifestyle. Step 1. Discover your freedom number. Ask yourself, how much do I actually need each month to live comfortably? Not lavishly, but comfortably? Most people overestimate this by 30 to 40%. When you track every expense for just 30 days, you'll realize you can live well on much less than you think. For instance, a couple might assume they need $6,000 a month to live well. But after tracking, they find they can comfortably live on $4,000. That $2,000 gap becomes fuel for early retirement. Step 2. Identify financial leaks. Go through your last 3 months of bank statements. Highlight anything that doesn't truly add value to your life. I guarantee you'll find $200 to $500 of wasted money each month. Unused streaming services, impulse Amazon purchases, drive-through coffee every morning. Cutting these expenses isn't about deprivation. It's about buying back your future. Step 3. The 50/30/20 freedom formula. Here's how to structure your spending. 50% needs: housing, food, insurance, transportation. 30% wants: entertainment, travel, fun. 20% financial growth. This goes toward investing and debt elimination. Pro tip: if you have high-interest debt, like credit cards, temporarily put the full 20% toward debt elimination strategies. Why? Because paying off a card with a 20% interest rate is like earning a guaranteed 20% return on your money. Imagine freeing up $500 or more every month. In a moment, I'll show you how to transform that into a stream of passive income that never stops paying you. Step 2. Building passive income streams. Once you've freed up cash, the next step is to invest it intelligently so your money starts working for you. I'm going to share 3 proven passive income strategies that balance safety and growth, perfect for anyone who's serious about financial independence planning. 1. High dividend investing. Think of dividend stocks and ETFs as money trees. They pay you regular cash flow, usually every quarter, just for owning shares. Example: if you invest $10,000 into a dividend ETF yielding 4%, you'll earn $400 per year completely passively. Reinvest those dividends, and thanks to compounding, your income doubles, then triples, creating an unstoppable income snowball. For beginners, I recommend low-fee ETFs like SCHD or VYM, which focus on stable companies with consistent dividend growth. This strategy alone can replace your paycheck over time. Step 2. Building passive income streams. Once you've freed up cash, the next step is to invest it intelligently so your money starts working for you. I'm going to share 3 proven passive income strategies that balance safety and growth, perfect for anyone who's serious about financial independence planning. 1. High dividend investing. Think of dividend stocks and ETFs as money trees. They pay you regular cash flow, usually every quarter, just for owning shares. Example: if you invest $10,000 into a dividend ETF yielding 4%, you'll earn $400 per year completely passively. Reinvest those dividends, and thanks to compounding, your income doubles, then triples, creating an unstoppable income snowball. For beginners, I recommend low-fee ETFs like SCHD or VYM, which focus on stable companies with consistent dividend growth. This strategy alone can replace your paycheck over time. 2. Real estate without tenants. Many people think real estate means late-night phone calls about broken toilets or chasing tenants for rent. Not anymore. With REITs, real estate investment trusts, you can invest in commercial real estate without ever becoming a landlord. Example: investing just $500 per month into a REIT ETF gives you exposure to rental income from office buildings, apartments, and warehouses, all completely hands-off. Historically, REITs have delivered 7 to 10% annual returns, making them a fantastic tool for long-term passive income. 3. Automated index fund investing. If you want a set-it-and-forget-it option, automated index fund investing is perfect. Funds like VTI or S&P 500 ETFs let you own tiny pieces of 500 of the biggest companies in America with a single click. The S&P 500 has averaged 10% annual growth over the last century. If you invest $500 every month, you could grow a portfolio worth over $1 million in 30 years, even if you never invest more. Combine this with dividends and REITs, and you now have a 3-layer system of passive income streams working for you 24/7. But there's a specific order to follow that can cut years off your retirement timeline. Let me show you exactly how. Step 3. The 3-layer investment strategy. Most people scatter their investments randomly and wonder why they don't see results. The secret is to layer your strategy, building stability first, then growth. Layer 1: safety and stability. Start with high dividend ETFs. These give you predictable cash flow and a cushion during market downturns. Layer 2: growth and freedom. Add REITs once you've built a stable base. They diversify your portfolio and provide an additional stream of rental income. Layer 3. Long-term wealth building. Finally, automate contributions to broad market index funds. This layer grows quietly in the background, becoming your future retirement nest egg. By combining all three, you create a self-sustaining wealth engine that grows whether the market is up, down, or sideways. Step 4. The fast track to early retirement. Now let's talk numbers. Here's how you could realistically retire 15 to 20 years early, maybe sooner. Free up $500 to $1,000 a month using the Freedom Budget. Invest that money using the 3-layer strategy. Reinvest every dividend and capital gain to maximize compounding. Increase contributions by 10% annually as your income grows. Example: investing $1,000 per month with an 8% return could grow to $450,000 in just 15 years. At that point, your portfolio could generate $30,000 to $40,000 per year in passive income. Pair that with part-time work or side hustles, and you can confidently walk away from your full-time job. But all of this can crumble if you fall into one common trap: avoiding the number one early retirement killer. The biggest threat to your plan isn't a market crash, it's lifestyle creep. As your income grows, it's tempting to upgrade everything: a bigger house, a luxury car, more expensive vacations. But every extra dollar spent is a dollar that can't be invested. The fix? Whenever you get a raise, bonus, or side hustle income, automatically redirect at least 50% into your investments. This ensures your wealth grows without you falling into the trap of overspending. Early retirement isn't just about money. It's about freedom. Freedom to spend your time exactly how you want. To travel, to create, to relax, or simply to wake up without an alarm clock. The world will tell you to buy more, spend more, impress more. But here's the truth: real wealth is measured in time, not things. Choose freedom now, and your future self will thank you. Your journey to early retirement doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a smart budget, free up cash, and invest it using the 3-layer strategy we covered today. Stay consistent, avoid lifestyle creep, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your wealth snowballs. Subscribe so as not to miss our next value-packed video on personal finance and investing. Click the thumbs up button to give us a like for bringing you this free information, and comment below to join the conversation. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for equipping, educating, and empowering purposes only, and is not professional financial advice.